favorite hobby?
Favorite hobby? I want to make it sound interesting. I don't want to say reading.
No, but that's a good hobby to have.
Writing is not boring, right?
Nothing
I'm
is
just
boring.
trying to make everything.
Be yourself.
मुझे makeup की vanity बनाने. Actually, I have done that. But no, I think I like writing, but I don't like writing stories. If I were to see something and I really like how it looks, then I want to write. I want to dedicate a brief note to it, and then I'll date it so that I remember, like, you know.
अब तुम लिखना जरा आज के सेगमेंट के बारे में
कि मैंने खूबसूरत मोमना को देखा था, वो गुजरती हुई जा रही थी, पीछे से हवा चल रही थी, और तारीख क्या है?
तारीख आज है, I think क्या है आज?
उर्दू में लिखूंगा.
अच्छा, what's your most annoying habit? Apart from asking for food every.
Well, it is pretty annoying. But when I see my mom go to bed, I just can't stand it. I'm like, कुछ करे. I'll always poke and like wake her up, and she'll be like, जब मैं सोती हूँ. Everything is about my mother.
अच्छी बात है.
So I poke her when she just goes to sleep. I'm like, wake up! उठे. I don't like you resting.
I don't like you resting.
Yeah.
Even I get a little like, I'm like, are you feeling okay? If you're napping, my mom's like trying to take a nap or lazy. I'm like, what are you doing?
So I want my mom to constantly, like, you know, घर में कुछ कर रही हो, television देख रही हो. That's nice. The moment she goes to, I'm like, why is she sleeping? Let's do something.
Acha, next thing, how would someone get your attention? Like your special attention?
Special attention. By acting, but just like, not overconfidence. That's what I mean, मैं तो उल्टा जवाब दे रही हूँ. But somebody who's a little modest in the way they conduct themselves, a little like, you know, धीमा. I really like that.
You like that?
Yeah.
Acha, next thing. Since you love to eat, चूजे की तरह, like चिड़िया की little चोंच चल रही होती है. What's the one thing I'll always find in your fridge?
In my fridge? So I and my friends, because we have been like, आजकल छुट्टियाँ चल रही हैं, so we tend to make these boards, nacho boards.
Oh.
Not cheese. I'm not too fond of cheese.
Oh, really?
But we do have a cheese dip. So I mean, my friend likes the jalapeno dip, whatever.
Yeah.
I like normal jalapenos, then pickles and all of that. So I have all of that
like a
in my
grazing
fridge.
board.
So we try to assemble things. अब पकाना नहीं आता मुझे इतना अच्छा खाना. My friends know how to cook. But in my fridge right now, उसके सारे bottles रखी हुई हैं. So that's there. Then hummus you'll always find, because I usually carry that on set, because जब आपकी energy जा रही होती है तो फिर you want something. And then regular stuff.
What's the one thing that you would want to be remembered by? Like for, actually remembered for?
If I get to do this, कि faculty को समझा दूँ इस तरह कि वो अपने syllabus में emotional intelligence के लिए भी please कुछ incorporate करें. That would be wonderful. And no punishments, please.
I hate punishments.
No physical punishments. You can, I mean, tell the student that this is what's going to happen, detain them, whatever, but nothing physical. Please don't.
Yeah, it's
Please
terrible.
don't. It's traumatizing. Please don't.
यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा है. Okay, one celebrity you will rate 10 out of 10.
One celebrity. 10 out of 10. There's so many. Male celebrity, female celebrity, anybody. So I have had a great time working with Hina Bayat, Irsa Ghazal, Faisal Qureshi, Fawad Khan. They're like amazing professional individuals to work with. Wahaj Ali, like very true to the script, very, very honest. And yeah, 5.
5.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Acha, who has been your favorite co-star?
My favorite co-star, I'll have to give it to Wahaj and Faisal. Faisal के साथ मैंने 4 projects किए, Wahaj के साथ 2. Even Bilal Abbas, very good to work with.
Very good.
Very good to work with. Oh.
What's your superpower?
My superpower? That I can very clearly remember my dreams, even like बहुत दिन गुजर जाएं, और मैं reality भूल जाती हूँ. That's my superpower. So if you tell me what happened yesterday, I won't remember. But if you ask me कल ख्वाब में क्या आया था, I'll be like, oh ये हुआ था. फिर मैं इधर मुड़ी थी और फिर spaceship आ गई थी.
फिर spaceship आ गई थी, मुड़ी थी spaceship आ गई थी.
But seriously, I dream such weird things.
I once dreamt, and I still remember this dream, कि एक नया star form हो रहा है.
हुआ था जो बीच में. There was a planet.
I mean, like this is like when I was a kid.
Oh, sorry.
और वो orange का जो अंदर का वो नहीं होता, like you know the little droplets of orange.
Oh, the fruity thing.
Yeah, the fruity part. Like you know, like when you open up and there's like little like drops.
The fibers, whatever.
Yeah, fibers. के उससे वो बन रहा है पूरा. And there's just the whole sky is full of it.
That's a fancy dream.
It was a very nice dream.
And how cool dreams can be.
Yeah, they can be really cool. You've talked about. Did you ask about your superpower?
Yes, you did.
Yeah,
Just
I
right
did.
now, yeah.
Actually, you're working on a film with Mahira and Fawad.
Ji.
Huh? So tell me about that. Like, what was the experience like, and when is it coming out?
I still have a couple of days left, and for which I have to go really short.
Oh, for your hair?
Yeah.
I love short hair, and your short hair looked really good on you.
मैं थक जाती हूँ अब 2018 से छोटे हैं. So I'm like, these are extensions.
Oh.
Yeah, I have short hair again.
Amazing.
So I have to match continuities. तो उसकी वजह से बार-बार कटवाने पड़ते हैं. अभी तो dye हुए हैं, but I'll have to so everything. But I don't have scenes with Mahira in it. It's mostly with Fawad and Behrosa and Atika ma'am. So it was fantastic, and I think because Fawad has produced the film also, and I've mentioned this earlier, he's a great producer to work with. A very wise, smart producer who knows what a set would be like.
Would be like and should look like.
Should look like.
Yeah.
And probably because he has that experience, he understands kis tarah a film set. Oh my God, he's done a great job.
Okay, I'm really looking forward to it.
Great.
And what's your character like in it?
So I am playing a publicist, and this is like, I can't give out too much information, but I mean it's nice. It's
Nice.
a small part, but a very good part.
Okay, amazing. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, me too.
What's the one thing that makes you smile?
When, like, you know how sometimes foreign nahi hota, but how sometimes when you are with a group of actors on set every single day, or koi senior ya phir koi anybody, but especially if seniors come up to you, which just happened recently, and hug you and go like, "Uff, tumhari kitni pyari energy hai," and then you're like, "Damn it!" Like
You do have really good energy. Like you have,
No, but
it
with
emanates
seniors.
through the screen as well. It actually does.
Like, you know, with seniors, because they've evolved and they've lived for so much longer than you have, और वो आपको प्यार करें, and then they say something like, तुम होती हो तो फिर सेट की रौनक, and then you feel so like, damn it. और फिर आप घर जाओ तो अम्मा कहती हैं, हमारे घर में तो नहीं होती है.
हाँ, तो ये सारी अम्मियाँ ही कहती हैं, बाहर सबके लिए अच्छा होता है, अंदर आके सारे सड़ियल
तो
भर के-
बोलो कि अपनी बेटी को तो तुम, अपनी माँ को तो तुमने ऐसे रखा हुआ है जैसे मैं बाहर क्यों, और तुम ले आओ अपनी नापा को. Okay, अम्मा.
अच्छा, before we go,
Yeah.
tell me what makes you truly happy. Like खुशी किस चीज से? मतलब यहाँ पे लोग को भी पूछते नहीं आपसे कि आप खुश हो. हर कोई पूछता है ये कैसा चल रहा है, वो कैसा चल रहा है. कभी कोई पूछता नहीं आपसे कि आप खुश हो जो कर रहे हो जिंदगी में. So what makes you truly happy?
When I'm content with what I have right now in life, because always you're just constantly thinking of something else, that if this works out for me, if the interview goes well, or if I get the right kind of outfit to wear, all of these things, kuch na ho dimag mein, and I'm like, I'm just happy right now with what I have at the given time.
Yeah, present.
Wo, yeah.
Yeah, that's
And it
wonderful.
happens quite a few times.
And that's very wise, and it's a very good way to
But
live.
you have to constantly keep reminding yourself also.
Yeah, of course,
that
you do.
you know.
Of course, because you have to constantly bring yourself into the present.
Yeah, I think
to
so.
be like, okay, this is
it.
what I have, and this is what I have to be happy
And nothing
with.
else is guaranteed
Yeah,
anyway.
nothing else is
तो
guaranteed.
फिर आपको easy लगता है.
It was
Yeah.
wonderful talking to you, Madiha.
Wonderful talking to you.
Yeah, and I wish you all the best for all your projects, and I can't wait to see you on screen, and hopefully get you back in the studio for
Yeah.
another Chatpata
Yes, why not? Why
segment.
not? Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much. And guys, I hope you all enjoyed the segment. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be part